Okay, let me broadcast. When we see the result is showing like this one, that means, oh, you get the field count 9. That means you have a 9 field inside. So we can draw a diagram like this one. Oh, you have a 9 field. Field is the column. So you totally have a 9 column in here. And the number of the rows, this means a record. So you have a 14 record in here. And I don't know actually the detail about it. So we need an tool to fetch one by one record out from this result. So we can use a MySQL fetch, F-E-T-C-H, ASSOC. We need to fetch out which result in here. This box is called result. So we will MySQL fetch from this result. Then he will return you 1 rows from here. Okay, so let's go back here. We will use a MySQL fetch, F-E-T-C-H, ASSOC. MySQL fetch from the result in here, result. Okay, then we put into a symbol, row, and we also use echo to echo it out. Refresh. See? Array to string conversation. That means, oh, you get a row, but this row is a array because they are still have a lot of things inside. So you cannot use echo to print it out. So we change to print or to show up the array. So refresh once again. Oh, okay, you got an array. They are CNAME, empty, ANN, gender, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So you can see, oh, you have a lot of data inside, and this one is the first row. So we can one by one to extract the item out. And let's show you. The first row is array. In the array, he has a 9 column. The first column is CNAME and gender, G. The second one is gender, GENDER, and star, STAR, age, message, and so on. And this one is ANN and 1. So on. So we need to extract the drawer to show up the ANN. So we will use a row. This one is called a row. Please open the CNAME list drawer and save the value to CNAME. Then we can echo CNAME out. Okay, this one will get ANN. And for the gender, we also use the same process to show up the gender. So one by one to show up things, we can use this one. Okay, we will get the row to catch CNAME, NAME, and save the CNAME to a variable called CNAME. And echo CNAME out. Okay, those things should be repeated 9 times because we have a 9 column. Second one, third one, 4, 3, 2, 5. Okay, so next one is gender, 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 star, 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 star. edge, 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 edge. Message, 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 message. And MEMID, MEMID, and 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So we have a total 9. Oh, this one is CID, CID, C password, 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 C birthday. Okay, so refresh it. See? ANN 1, 2, ANN error test. Okay, everything is showing in here, right? Okay, so what's the next one? We need to pick up the next row, right? See? We fetch one record and use this one to fetch all things out. And we need to fetch the other things. So we need to, okay, maybe give a echo HR and show the other one. So in here we want to fetch the other record, next record. We need to fetch once again. So MySQL I fetch, FETCH, ASSOC, result once again. So he will get next record. And after we get the next record, we also use the same process. So you can see if we want to get the other one, we need to copy it and go here to pass it. So here is to fetch the other record. So refresh it. Where am I? Here, refresh. So this one is the first row, second row. For the next one, we need to fetch it once again. So should I so complicated? No. So in the last week, I told you what can I do if I have a lot of record inside. Right. So you can see when I fetch something, if we can fetch the things from here, then we can show up the old things and it will return the true. If he cannot fetch anything anymore, he will return false. So we can use a while. While means if this situation is satisfied, he will doing the things between the curly bracket. So if this one is true, he will run the things inside. So if I can fetch, always fetch something, fetch, okay, right, fetch, right, he will show up all the things. If I cannot fetch anything, he will go out. So for the database, you will use a while to do the loop, okay? So go back here, refresh. So we can get whole records out, okay? So just stop here to fetch all things out and, okay, screenshot. Okay,